Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Match dating app. First, open the Match app on your phone. Once the app opens, you will be on the welcome screen. Here, look for the button that says I am ready and tap on it to begin creating your account. After that, the app will ask you a few questions. The first question will ask about your gender. Here, select either man or woman based on your preference. Next, the app will ask who you are here to meet. You can choose whether you want to meet a man or a woman. Select the correct option and continue. Now you will need to enter your birthday. Type the day, month, and year in the provided fields carefully. Make sure the information is correct before moving forward. After entering your birthday, the app will ask for your zip code. Enter the correct zip code so the app can show matches that are close to your location. Next, type your name in the required field. After that, enter your email address. Make sure you use an active email because you may need it later for verification or account recovery. Once you complete these steps, follow the on-screen instructions to finish creating your new account. After the account setup is complete, you will be taken to the home page of the app. On the home page, you can view different profiles. You can like profiles that interest you or skip profiles if you are not interested. There is also a likes section where you can see the profiles you have liked and the people who have liked your profile. Finally, there is the matches section. Here you will see profiles that match the preferences you selected during account creation. Thanks for watching.